Hello everyone, today we'll learn topography photo manipulation in Canva. So let's start designing. Open design and add carrot image. Then go to apps tab and select typecraft. Type carrot here and select font of your choice. Now change font color to white and click update element. In the edit shape, adjust the size of your text so it fits perfectly into the shape of the carrot. Drag the points to shape it just the way you want. Update the element to check your shape is matching or not. This is a great way to test your patience and skill. So take your time and enjoy the process. Once you match the text with carrot shape, then go to element and add square shape. Change its color to black and resize it to cover the image. Then go to position and send square shape behind text. Download the page as PNG. Add a new page and upload the PNG file we just created. Drag it to the page. Then add carrot image again and send it behind the text. Decrease transparency of text so you can adjust text position. Once you've done, then set transparency to 100 and hide the carrot image behind the text. Then select text and remove background using background remover. Now change background color to black and again download current page as PNG. Again add a new page, upload PNG file and add it to the page. Then remove background using the background remover. Change background color to white. Add a carrot image and send it back. Adjust text size to match the carrot shape. Duplicate the carrot image and place it exactly over each other. Now in position option, send text behind carrot. Select first carrot image and crop it from left to right. Then select other carrot image and crop it from right to left. Adjust to match perfectly and that's it. Our topographic design is ready. Try it with different fruits, veggies or objects and enjoy designing. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.